Welcome back to another video. So today's video we are going to crochet a sunglasses pouch or a sunglass case. So I'm using this cotton yarn and my crochet hook is a 5mm crochet hook. We're going to start round one with a slip knot and we're going to chain 12. You can add more chains if you want your pouch to be bigger. So after you chain 12, I'm going to be using this moose stitch for this pouch. So you skip the first chain, you go into the next chain, you slip stitch, then you go into the next chain with a half double crochet. So you repeat this row, a slip stitch, half double crochet, and you should always end with a slip stitch. You should always end as a slip stitch at the end of the round. So for round two, you're going to chain one and you're going to turn your work around and you're going to go beneath, you're going to go under the two V's, under the two loops, and you're going to start again with a slip stitch and a half double crochet into the next stitch. So we're just going to keep repeating this. So we're going to continue this stitch till the 18th row. So we have two panels, so make sure you have two panels, and I decided to add another color along the way. So now if you're going to measure this, it's going to give you 7.5 inches. So 7.5 inches is the right size for me. So you can just always go ahead and check the size to make sure it will fit for your sunglasses. 7.5, so that is equal, and the width is exactly 3 inches. So make sure you get your size right. So now we are going to join the two panels together. So as you can see, I'm going to be stitching on 3 sides, and I am starting on that side. So we're going to stitch this together, and we are going to use a single crochet to join the two panels together. So I'm done with joining the panels together. So now I'm going to cut off that yarn and sew in that weaving the yarn afterwards. So as you can see, my two panels are together. Now I have the next thing to do is make the drawstring for this pouch. So now for the drawstrings, we're going to get 2 strands of yarn. So these 2 strands, I'm going to just get my measuring tape right now and measure this for you to get the right so I think this is, yes, this is 16 inches. So we need 60 inches for 2 strands of yarn. So now I'm going to go ahead and get my scissors and cut the yarn into 2 equal parts. So I'm going to take one part of the yarn and I'm going to fold it into 2 like this. You're going to fold it into 2 and I'm going to tie it at the end to make a knot at the end. So now I'm going to put that pouch aside and I'm going to get these 2 strands, the 2 yarns that I tied. So you're going to get the other part and I'm going to lay it over each other like this. So you're going to make sure that the sides that you tie is opposite of each other. So you're going to get that side and the other side facing opposite. So now you're going to get the 2 strands laying over each other like that, and you're going to place it on top of the pouch, just right there on top of it. And we are going to crochet that in with a single crochet. So now we're just going to keep doing the same. We're going to do a single crochet across the 2 strands. And now if you have any yarn you want to weave in, you can carry that along. As you can see here, I am carrying along the yarns that I have at the tail of the pouch. So I'm going to crochet that in with the 2 strands. So once you get to the edge of your pouch, so what you're going to do, you're going to leave a little bit of that string, that string of that two string. You're going to leave a little bit part out, and then you're going to continue to do a single crochet. So I'm done with single crochet around the drawstring. Cut off my yarn after I chain one and weave in my yarn afterwards. So this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share my video, and leave a comment if you enjoy this tutorial. See you in the next one.